What drew me to this line of work is really the kitchen found me. I was in and out of jails when I was younger. I ended up meeting a chef in downtown Detroit who takes me under his wing. And from there, man, I just fell in love. I started Edwin's in 2004 with just this idea, every human being, regardless of their past, has the right to a fair and equal future. It's a 6-month training program here in Cleveland, Ohio, helping anyone that's been affected by the criminal justice system. We provide elite education in culinary arts. Programming here runs pretty deep. We have the bakery and butcher shop as well. We offer free housing here. We have a library. We have a fitness center, a clothing store. It's free for any student or graduate. We have a child care center, right? That's very important. Providing other parts of the puzzle is really what we're best at, right? We're really great chefs, but we're even better carers. We take anyone who applies. We don't want to know about what they did, how long they were in for. We just want to meet you where you're at and take you where you want to go.
Nobody else really has, a mission like this. The outreach to the prison system is something that, most of the public doesn't care about, but Brandon's put everything into this restaurant and helping that part of society get back on their feet and give people a second chance.
Well, when I first met him, I thought it would be more like a business thing, but he's more like a father. He's more like a caretaker. He's patient, he's caring, he's understanding. It's a beautiful thing, it's beautiful.
To be a recipient of the James Beard Impact Award feels great. It's such validation for our mission, and it's such validation for our team and our students and those incarcerated who don't have a voice. Walking in these doors every day, whether you're a guest or whether you're like staff, there's a joy here. The thing that I'm most excited about in the future is systemically disrupting this criminal justice system by not just providing this elite education, but to deliver plans to people with a dream.